Hey everyone, there are 3 ways to delete a blob on Vercel depending on your workflow. I'll walk through all 3 so you can pick the one that works best for you. The first method is through the Vercel dashboard. The easiest option if you're deleting a single file visually, go to vercel.com and log into your account. Select your project from the dashboard. Click on the Storage tab in the project navigation. Click on your blob store name to open it. This brings up a file browser showing all your blob files. Find the file you want to delete and click on it to select it. Click the delete button or icon. A confirmation prompt appears to confirm the deletion. The file disappears from the list immediately, though it may remain accessible at its URL for up to 60 seconds while the CDN cache clears. If you prefer the terminal, the second method uses the Vercel CLI. Open your terminal and navigate to your Vercel project directory. Run Vercel link if the project isn't already linked. Type the command Vercel blob del followed by the path name of your blob, for example, images/old-logo.png. Press enter to execute the command. The CLI confirms the deletion with a message. The blob is removed from storage immediately. If you need to run this outside a linked project, you can pass the read-write token and store ID flags explicitly. The third method is programmatic deletion using the Vercel Blob SDK best if you need to delete blobs as part of your application logic, like when a user removes their profile picture. Open your code editor. At the top of your file, import the del function from @vercel/blob. Wherever you need to trigger the deletion, call the del function and pass in either the blob URL or the path name as the argument. If you need to delete multiple blobs at once, pass an array of URLs instead. Use await since this is an async operation, deploy or run your code. The del function returns a void response, so the deletion happens immediately. It may take up to 1 minute for the blob to fully clear from the CDN cache. All 3 methods achieve the same result. Pick whichever fits your workflow dashboard for quick visual deletions, CLI for terminal users, or SDK for application logic. Delete operations are free and don't count toward your billing.